Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about Turbo Bulk Mailer software. This software has been developed and launched by Bhakkar Soft and Web Solutions, a Pakistan government registered IT company specialized in software and web development. Our goal is to help businesses to manage their business campaigns effectively through advanced tools. In this video, I'll show you how this Turbo Bulk Mailer works from setup to sending professional emails safely and effectively. Let's start our video. Alright, as you can see, I have already logged in with 3 email addresses. Now I'll add 4th one to show you exactly how the setup works. Here we will enter email address, then password, and next we will select the SMTP type. Since this account is Gmail, we will select Gmail. Okay. If you are using Outlook, Yahoo, just select the option from it. If you are using any other provider, simply choose custom where you can manually enter your SMTP server port number. Once all details added, click check connection. This software will confirm that the account is ready to send emails. This test email sent, account added. I'll click on OK. Now let's take a quick look at a few other important options inside the software. At the top right, you will find the tutorial option. By clicking on this top option, you can instantly watch a complete step-by-step tutorial video related to this software. It's a great way to understand all features in details. Right next to it, there is a help button. If you ever need any assistance or run into an issue, just click to help to get direct guidance and troubleshooting tips related to this software. Moving on the next option, subjects. I am adding multiple subjects. You can add multiple subjects here. Press on plus button to add one more subject. Alright, you can add multiple subject lines according to your campaign. This helps make your bulk emails look more natural, personalized, and each can go out with a different subject. Next, we have an option get reply. In this field, you will enter email address where you want to receive replies from your recipients. Okay, I'm adding my email address. After that, there is an email from section right here. This is where you will write a sender subject, the one that will appear in the recipient's inbox as the sender of the message. Okay, I am adding here Bhakkar Soft Pakistan or just Bhakkar Soft. Okay. Then we have the delay between option. This setting defines how many seconds of pause you want between each outgoing emails. For example, I'll set a delay between 10 to 15 seconds. I'll add 10 and the second one is 15 seconds. Okay. The next option is send. And finally, we have the option that controls how many emails should be sent from one account at a time. I'll select one email per account, but you can choose 2 to 3 if you want the software to send more simultaneously. Just remember, it's always better to keep things balanced for a safe and reliable delivery. Okay, I'm adding just one from one account. That's it. Once these basic configurations are set, you are ready to move on adding templates and starting your campaigns. Now let's move on the next step. Click on the upload option to select your email list. This is the list of recipients you want to send your email to. Click at upload. I'm adding this list. Open. Here's my email addresses where I want to send my messages through emails. Okay. Once the list is uploaded successfully, you will see all the email addresses displayed on screen. After that, click on Add Templates. Here you can select the templates that are related to your business or campaign. These templates can include your promotional content, product details, or any message you want to share. I already have ready to use templates, so I will select them one by one. Once you have added your templates and subject, everything is set up for the campaign. Now simply click on the start button to begin sending your emails. You can also click pause at any time if you want to temporarily stop the process, and if you press the stop button, then campaign will end completely. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, the emails are now being sent successfully one after another. Each account will automatically rotate based on your setting, and you can monitor the progress right here. Okay, let me show you how it works. You can see 2:51 and the time is 2:52. And here 2:52. I'm going to refresh it to show you how it works. You can see here sending successfully messages. And see here. I'm going to click at stop to stop this campaign, and once the campaign is complete, click on save reports to download or save the sending reports. These reports contain all the details including how many emails were sent, which accounts we used and delivery status. I'm going to click at save reports, desktop and save. Export complete. Okay. Minimize it. I'm going to hide sender and sending email addresses for privacy concerns. You can see here bulk mailer software, bulk mailer sender. It is always rotating the subjects as well. So that's how you can easily set up and run your complete bulk email campaign using this software with complete account rotation, customized templates and detailed reporting. This tool is built to make your email marketing faster, smarter and more professional. For purchasing or any business inquiries, feel free to contact us at +92 306 860 5624. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will never miss further tutorial and updates. You can also reach us through the help section inside the software or leave your question in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.